Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my new videos. Today's video is International Bank of Recognition and Development. The world large development bank IBRD provide financial product and policy advice to help countries provide and exchange the benefit of submission grow to all the peace people. The International Banking of Requirement and Development IBRD is called by deployment constant owner by 89 members as constant is the large development and bank world supported the world operation by provides loans generation risk management provide advice service and middle income and provide low income constant is by prudent response of region of gold park changing creation in 1944 for help Euro builder after World War IB and joined with IDF and fund the posted constant of World Bank the VEX closing with all induction World Bank Group public private section developing constant required provides but shared possible IBRDA work India transmission marketing for response solar the meet solar energy target India must fund space install solar panel thanks a partnership with the World Bank a market group solar bank track of posting energy of provide service improvement scale development of regular China. A partnership between China and World Bank happened provide scale tracking some 4,022 US people of using employer service over 4.2 million job keeper a partner middle income contrast the World Bank Group middle income constant MIC both client and shoulders of condition measure of Polpa home measures, insurance investment and respect of large shared explores advanced incomes is many marketing repress constant social process and third party large infending solution changing but MIC also have more than 70% of what poor people after roommate and limited access privacy make this constant economic and scale that grows broke changing features and personal World Bank of estimate MIC with response more than 60% profitable. We provide complete financial reason knowledge and technical service. Our strategy is help government reforms, improvement service, more private investment and short solution. We partnered with Grow, changing energy incomes provide always personal provide and blink template can understand especially supply lowers middle income foster the move of e-commerce grow for ideas becomes client. We also expand capacity of health dependent future and confidence and also is long partner step of support and client IBRTS service target our partnership IMICS and create withdrawal profit IBS office solution prediction log great risk research government is national of summit levels IBRD financial invest access all sector provide technical support and experience its search strategy project reason not only supply browsing constant needed but also with global knowledge transporter and advert service public debit country strategies the country of partnership framework guide IBRT and other benchmark banks work client country reach grow editing stream supply management product and service financial and risk management how to ideas financial it 1946 which showed out government about 40 billions of capacity other reason management type of ratings in 1959 that's high grade rating allow it browser a lost of middle income developing countries access capacity on following themes helping state project grow followers manager with other reason of a partner metals India transmitter market roof solars implement skills development China implement regular employees response skill approach third level skill development the personal project the good thing about job training that can bank group partnership more and forward to things rating billions of constant creation changing in 2006 the value of 30 billion regulars worker in China in extent one in the five rules employment the regular scale development and employer project futures result between 2009 and 2014 the project the following major result students of genius 447 577 partnership moving like my video subscribe my channel for latest mission updates press the bell icon thanks for watching